First of all, if you don't like chopping, you can get flavor in your food by just making a bundle of herbs. And if you're braising something or making a sauce or a soup, just throw the herbs in the pan and it will do its job. It will still have a lot of great flavor. So invest in kitchen twine, number one, if we hate to chop things. If we're talking about basil, I believe in keeping it at room temperature, not in the refrigerator. I think that the cold bruises basil, so I treat it like flowers. I cut the bottoms, I change the water every couple of days, and if I put it in a large food storage sack on top, kind of makes a little greenhouse for it, and the basil will not go away. My grandpa never chopped basil. He would just tear it into recipes, again, because he didn't want to bruise it. If you want those pretty ribbons of basil, or you're talking about the leaves of anything, you can literally stack them together, roll them into a little log, and make a chiffonade. Make a little confetti by keeping the tip of the knife on the board.
Look at those knife skills.
And running the knife across. When it comes to tougher stemmed herbs, like beautiful rosemary that's great into winter, I go outside and pick it literally while it's snowing. It's still there and fine. But it's a tough woody stem. You don't want to eat that, right? So the way we deal with that is to hold it at the top and gently pull the leaves backwards. And same thing with thyme. There are some lemon thymes and soft thyme that I grow in my garden. They're very tender and you could chop up the stems. The stuff we get in the grocery store is largely going to have a woody stem. Same deal. Gently pull it backwards, pop the tip off, and then pile it together. Same deal. You can pile your tough herbs together, run your knife through it once this way, keep piling it back together, and just go back and forth, and it mills it kind of down. When it comes to cilantro, these are very tender stems. I find them very flavorful. I'll stem the very end of it, but I'll chop the rest up all together. I don't discard it at all. I don't take the time picking it because it's tasty and
What do you mean?
so tender.
You said you stem the...
I would just take off the very end of it. The rest of this is totally edible.
I got you. Yeah.
Parsley, no. I save the stems for stock and soup. I rip off the top of the dolly's head, and this is the part I chop. This part I put into an herb bundle and throw it in a soup or a stock pot.
Okay.
This is the part I would use. Okay.